Sorry if you hear my family in the background because they're working on my house right now. I just moved in and my room is like dirty. It's my first time cleaning it. I don't want to do it at all. I am completely tired. I don't feel good. I feel sick. And like I've been trying to eat healthy today, but like I just took a whole pack of gum. Don't think that's good for me. So I'm gonna clean my room, make sure it's deep clean and everything. Yeah. I don't want to do it. I want to watch Netflix, but I'm gonna do this. Ooh, I can burp. Burp. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna position my camera somewhere else so you guys can see the full thing. And yeah, and here's a disclaimer. Some of it might be time-lapsed, but yeah. By the way, before I put time-lapse on, this is just an overview of my room. My sheets are on my ground, my pillows. I only have one sheet on my bed. A box full of school stuff, some clothes. I have trash over there, it's just organized. This is my floor right here. I have a stupid ladder. My ovoir is really dirty. And my ground, this is just not good. My closet's just very icky. I'm actually cleaning the fridge right now. And like, yeah, that's my overview. This is the before my room. And yeah. By the way, I do a 3-wave system. The first wave is, I'm just gonna go over it one time. The first wave is cleaning and like organizing and make sure everything's like put away in its right area. Second one is just wiping everything down and making sure it's all clean and spick and span. And then the last one is me vacuuming my room, and that's all I do. This is wave number 1. I'm making sure everything's put away to where it belongs and everything. So as you can see, I just finished making my bed. Now I'm gonna start working on my disastrous floors. Hey guys, so as you can see, I just made sure everything was put in the right place. It was cleaned and organized. But now I'm gonna wipe down everything with cleaning wipes, and then I'm gonna dust things. I'm gonna make sure to do all that type of stuff. As you guys can see, I just wiped everything down and I'm at the last step. I'm going to vacuum the floors. I'm going to try to find an angle for my camera. And my camera's been flinging down a lot. I'm sorry about that, but we're just going to keep on trying and we're going to keep on cleaning. We got this. So I just finished my room. I'm just finished with cleaning my room, except the downside was that my vacuum died. My vacuum died, so that means I have to charge the vacuum up my carpets. So I'm just not going to show you that because that's just like, you know, I'm going to vacuum my carpets. And I just finished my room and I'm super excited, and I'm going to show you the after. Hi guys, so this is the after. I picked up everything on here. Carpet, my bed is made, of course. That's the first thing that usually gets done. That's that, my cool ladder. Ooh, actually, last second thing, I'm gonna put them right there. It gets more attention. I have my books by John Green. I have my volleyball thing, my lamp. Then there's like alarm clock down there, which isn't that important. My mom left this in here because we're like rebuilding the house and everything. So these are her shoes. This is my decoration, my disinfecting wipes, my Target card and everything in there. My Vans are in here, and then this is my another cute decoration. So I'm gonna put this in my thing. These are my Vans. Everything's good. My dirty laundry. I hanged up everything. Made sure everything was organized up here. Oh, this might be scary to you, but this is what I practice makeup on. Cause who was it? I don't really know, but someone does like beauty on YouTube, so I decided to get one of those. Here's again, this is my coffee machine, my Keurig's cups, my trophies, my sign. Oh, be obsessively grateful for everything, guys, because your parents will love it later in life. This is my Impression makeup mirror. This is where I keep all my jewelry. This is where you put folders and everything. This is my mirror. Hi. So, and then this is my room, finished, cleaned, and all. I'm so proud of myself. And then I'm just watching Jane the Virgin while I clean and listen to music and everything. So yeah, bye.